Good morning. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, girls. Good morning, Logan. Hey. Bubbles looks happy. Oh, the little stinker. Get your bunny. Get your bunny. Get him. Get your bunny. Go get it. He tries to get right up to Bubbles. Watch this. This is funny. He don't care. She don't scare him. Stink! Come here, baby. Diesel. 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 Come here. Come here. He doesn't even budge. He smacks him. He's a good boy. He's brave. Yes, he is. He says, yeah. Yeah, Bubbles. It's okay. He's not gonna hurt you. He's proved it 1,000 times already. Give me a boy. Give me a boy. Get Daddy love. Oh, da. He loves giving Daddy love. Yes. You gotta give him some playtime this morning before I leave for work. No. Diesel? No. No. He knows no very well. Love you guys.